How to log out of KFC app. If you want to log out of the KFC app, maybe because you want to log out or just you want to switch to another account, it's fairly simple to do that. So first, here you can see I have launched the KFC application and this is the interface that you'll be able to see. Then when you've done that, you can currently see I'm logged into my account. So to log out, I just tap the profile icon from here. And once I've tapped the profile icon from here, I can simply look through all these options. There at the bottom left, you can see the button that says Logout. So I can tap the little Logout button there. And as I've done that, it will ask me for a confirmation. You can log out. So yes, I can tap the yes button and then I'll be successfully logged out of the KFC app. This way I can log out from the KFC app. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have got any further questions, queries or doubts, do feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end and see you soon in our next video.